Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word technically. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Technically, according to the rules, I didn't violate any policies. Technically is used to indicate strictly according to the facts or rules, often to emphasize a point that may not align with common perception or interpretation. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.